Hi, everyone. It is my joy to share a final message with you at this year-end assembly for 2020-2021. Right now, we are living in a very strange time. I have heard many people describe this past year like an episode of The Twilight Zone. Now, in case you don't know, that's a show from the 1960s. It's actually a cult classic that prompted the viewer to take a closer look at life and various phenomena that seemed unusual and surreal, where everything was a little bit out of the ordinary. Can you imagine anything more out of the ordinary than this past year? A year where we had to open and close multiple times, where many of you had to line up each day in a straight line with masks on, only to stay in the same room, the same teacher for the entire day? What about having an athletic field that never hosted one game, or a professional theater that didn't have a single artistic performance? I think people will look back and wonder how we were able to cope. Part of what is strange, I think, is this feeling of being in between. The ups and the downs, where it seems like everything is changing and nothing is changing at all. Many things are opened and still closed. More than half of the population is now vaccinated, but masks and distancing are still required. There are many good and hopeful things happening right now, but it's all mixed up in anxiety and loss and worry about anything that is seeming not normal. So what do we make of all this, especially as we bring this school year to a close and look forward to next year? After all, none of us have ever lived through a global pandemic before. None of us. We're all going through this the first time. What I think we can do is take time to pause and consider. This strange time for me has given me a lot to think about. I've been more conscious than ever about my own high school experience. Now, it dates all the way back to the late 1980s, and I am planning to attend the school that I wanted to go to ever since I was a little boy. And when I got there, I was so proud that I had finally made it to that place. But things then began to change. I went from having a lot of friends in elementary school to not knowing a single person in my grade. I went from getting straight A's to getting B's and even C's. I went from being on every sports team to not making a single one. I began to wonder why this was happening to me and whether I was going to be able to make it through. And then something extraordinary happened. Actually, a few things happened that, in retrospect, altered the course of my life. First, I took a job at a grocery store to save money for school. Second, I made a solid friend who helped me with my schoolwork. Third, I gave a class presentation that prompted someone to ask me, "Have you ever thought about becoming a teacher?" To make a long story short, I worked at that grocery store job for over 20 years and learned more about the value of hard work there than in anywhere since. I maintained that friendship and now have a best friend for life. Finally, I listened to that teacher who saw something in me that I didn't see in myself. And now I give myself to a cause that I think matters. Friends, you have all been through so much this year, and you have learned so much about yourself and others. Don't foreclose the possibility that this strange year may serve you well going forward. Students, boys, be grateful for one another, for your parents who have had to balance so many things this year on your behalf, for your teachers who have worked incredibly hard to make the most out of this incredibly challenging year, and for your fellow student leaders who have worked hard to keep you engaged along the way. It could be that what seems strange now, in the fullness of time, builds your character. It might just be that the most important thing that you learned this year was a little bit more about who you are and who you are called to be. I wish you a very successful end of term. Stay well. I can't wait to have you back on campus and enjoying our new field. Take care.